Hanggang ngayon ba ay naghahanap ka pa rin ng bahay at lupa na perfect para sa lumalaking pamilya mo? Then, sure ako ito na ang sign mo, so keep on watching. Gusto mo ba yung malapit sa Manila, complete ang amenities, progressive ang area at exclusive ang subdivision? Siyempre, affordable and modern na rin ang bahay. Hello future kapitbahay, it's me again Mary with our future Hana home buyer, and ipapakita ko sa inyo kung bakit nga ba worth it bilhin si Hana model here at Minami Residences. Alam niyo bang fully expandable ang unit na ito? Wherein, mayroon kang minimum lot area of 80 square meters at may floor area ka na 54 square meters. Quadruplex units ito, kaya naman marami kang spaces for future expansions. May provision ka na rin for 2-car garage, 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, and service area. At syempre, semi-complete na ang turnover nito, kaya naman livable na rin si Hana. Located ito at the heart of General Trias, Cavite. And you know what? 35 to 45 minutes away lang ito from Manila via Cavitex. And you are just 4.5 kilometers away from Zone to Open Calax, Open Canal Interchange. Kaya sure ako natataas ang value ng property mo. I-reserve mo na ang Hana unit mo. For as low as 25,000, available din ito via bank and in-house financing. Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo? Tara at mag-tripping na